In 2026, everyone is using AI to write. But when it comes to high-stakes academic publishing, is an LLM enough to get you through peer review? Today, we're looking at the showdown: manual editing versus AI tools. Let's be honest, AI tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT are incredible for speed. They catch the obvious typos and smooth out clunky sentences in seconds. But AI has a hallucination problem. It doesn't understand the nuance of your specific research, and it certainly doesn't know if your citations actually support your thesis. Manual editing isn't just about grammar, it's about academic rigor. A human editor understands the subtle logic of an argument. We spot the logical leaps that AI ignores. We ensure your voice remains authentic, which is critical now that journals are using increasingly aggressive AI detection software. The future of academic excellence is hybrid editing. Use AI for the first-pass structural cleanup, but always use a professional human editor for the final critical polish. One provides the speed, the other provides the soul and the credibility. Don't let an algorithm be the final judge of your research. Visit the link in our bio to see how we blend tech with human expertise.